Today we are going to learn how to create this glass login page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In addition to this glass login page, you will also learn how to create this mobile navigation menu. Okay, let's start the project. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a wrap. We don't need a wrap. I'm gonna have a header. Inside header I will have the logo. Below the logo I will have a navbar. Inside navbar I will have few head tags. I'm gonna call it home. I'm gonna call it about, contact, and also I will have a tag with class name login btn. Call it login. Below that I will have the menu. Okay, below the header I'm gonna have a main tag. So the main I will have a form. So the form I will have h1 tag that says login. Below that I will have a row. So that row I will have a label. Let's call it email. Below that I will have input, the type of email. I'm gonna copy paste this twice. Okay, I'm gonna call it password. Change the password. I'm gonna have p tag, forget password. Below the row I'm gonna have a button with class name form login. Okay, below that I will have another p tag, don't have an account. So this pen register. Okay, now in the styles I already add some few styles, which is few colors and a font. Okay, now I'm going to choose the body. I'm going to give body width 100%, width 100% may height, and have a background image. I will copy paste the background image. You can pause the video and code it. Okay, I'm going to also give a position of relative and the overflow hidden. Okay, now the header I'm going to give height of 80 pixels, display flex direction, no flex direction, line items will be center, justify content will be space bit. Okay, now max width and also padding inline 40 pixel. I'm gonna give it margin inline auto. Okay, now to logo I'm gonna give font size of 45, font weight 600 and color white. Okay, now the navbar I'm gonna give it display flex. I'm gonna give cap of 30, line items will be center. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here. Okay, I'm gonna select a button. Okay, I'm gonna make text decoration. I'm gonna give it none. I'm gonna give it border none. Okay, I'm gonna give it outline none. Okay, background color transparent. Okay, I'm gonna give it okay. To now I'm gonna give it color of white. Okay, to login btn I'm gonna give it background color. It should be important because overriding the previous color of transparent. Okay, I'm gonna give it padding. I'm gonna give it 10 pixel and 15 pixel. And now to menu I'm gonna give it height of 50 pixel, cursor of point. Okay, to menu img I'm gonna give it 800%. And now I'm gonna hide this. Okay, I'm gonna have the media query, media screen, and I'm gonna give it max width 168. I'm gonna need to menu to visible. I'm gonna display flex. See. Okay, now to navbar I need position to take absolute. Okay, top to 0 and right to 0, and the background color to I'm gonna give background color. I'm gonna give hash 1D83F7C4. Okay, now the height to 100% view height with 300 pixels. Okay, flex direction will be column, magenta will be 140 pixels. Sorry, padding top. Okay, I'm gonna give it this is an index of 10. Okay, now I'm gonna hide it. I'm gonna transform this, translate x to 100%. Okay, I'm also give a transition over 0.3 is. Okay, now when navbar contains active class, the transform property should be translate x 0. Okay, go to the index.html. Above the body I'm gonna have a script tag. I'm gonna const menu equal document query selector, select the menu. Okay, and also I'm gonna select navbar. When menu.add in a click, I need to toggle the class active on navbar. Okay, see, yeah, it's working. Now let's create the form. Okay, main will have height of calculated height of 100% view height minus 80 pixels. Okay, AB flex alarm items will be center, just will be sent. Okay, form will have mean width of 420 pixels. Okay, display flex direction column, x direction will be column. I'm going to give it line item send. Now cap of 30 pixels. Also I'm going to give it a background, should be a linear gradient to right. Okay, RGBA 0.3. Also I'll have another RGBA 250 0.1. Okay, see what is wrong. Okay, Also I'm gonna have add enough 40. Okay, now to h1 I'm gonna give it font weight 600. Okay, to label, label and input will have width of 100%. Okay, font size of 15 pixels, and the color 1 and font weight of 600. To row I'm gonna give width of 100%, flex direction column. Okay, to the input I'm gonna give it background color of transparent, border none, outline none. Okay, border bottom 3 pixels, solid, I'm gonna give it color white. Okay, I'm gonna give a margin of 5. Margin of 5. And input focus, I need to change the color. Okay, border color I'm gonna give it this. Right. Okay, to row P I need font size 12, text line right, margin of 5. Okay, to form login button, I need to width 100%. Okay, background color 3, color give it white, and padding 10 pixel and 15 pixel. Okay, font size 15. Okay, to register I'm going to give font size 12. Class name register, font size 12, register span, font weight 600, and text decoration underline. Okay, now the project is completed. You can change the style as you want. Thank you for watching the video.